Tax hobby.
Ever need to record something on your computer exactly as it comes out of your speakers? Stereo Mix allows you to record exactly what was being output to your speakers, without going through any analog-digital conversion. This feature is very handy for recording the audio off a website. Enabling Stereo Mix will let you do exactly that, and here's how to do it. To enable Stereo Mix, go down to the audio icon in your system tray, right-click it, and click Sounds or click directly Recording Devices, to open up the proper settings pane.
Hit like and subscribe.
In the pane, right-click on a blank area, and make sure both View Disabled Devices and View Disconnected Devices options are checked. You should see a Stereo Mix option appear. Right-click on Stereo Mix and click Enable and click Set as Default to be able to use it. How do I use this? With Stereo Mix enabled, you can open up your favorite recording program and select it instead of your microphone before you record. If you still don't see it in some cases, your audio chipset drivers aren't helping your cause. Most likely, this is because they're outdated. In other instances, however, it's because the newest Windows drivers for your chipset don't support this feature. But if you want a simple way to record your computer's output, use Audacity. It's free and easy to use for recording.
Tax hobby. Hit like and subscribe.